I'm standing out in front of a beautiful new listing, 931 South Schung Street in Airway Heights. It's in the Spokane development. This is a brief look of the street and surrounding homes. Brand new home built in 2020. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, has a vinyl privacy fence all the way around. Exterior is vinyl composition shingle roof. And let's go take a look inside. Let me show you how gorgeous this is. We've gone with the black and white theme. This has got LVP, the luxury vinyl plank. When you walk in the front door, you step into the main living room. You've got wonderful pull-down blinds. Look how beautiful this open floor plan is. So if we go to the left, we have 2 bedrooms and a bath. And we also have the main bedroom to the right, so a very nice split floor plan. Beautiful kitchen, stainless appliances, a wonderful eat-at island with storage on the other side. The door in front of you is a nice-sized pantry. Your views out the back are spectacular. It's just open field, country field. You've got a big red barn behind you. A nice amount of yard without being overburdening. You've got a concrete deck to go out on, a patio. So let's look at the other 2 bedrooms first. Coming down here, we go to the hallway this way. And if we come down here, we've got the first bedroom. This faces the street. Nice size. This is a queen size bed. Ample room on either side. You've got nice size closet. And this is kind of nice because both of these bedrooms walk right out to the bathroom. You have a nice linen closet here between them. And great space in the bathroom. This is a secondary bath and it's got a single counter. It does have a tub and a shower. And then if we go this way is the second bedroom of 3. Now they have this set up as an office. One of the nice things here is you do have Xfinity cables. You have high-speed internet available. And these 2 bedrooms have carpet in them. Nice size closet. And then if we come this way, I'm going to show you the inside. Let me show you real quick the other side of the island. It's excellent. Nice storage space all set up for you. Now your appliances, remember everything in this home is just under a year old. So brand new construction. And there's the ceiling fan with light that they have. Here's your laundry room. Now the washer and dryer is not staying. They will be taking this. But this is your mud room going out to the garage, which is here. It is a 2-car garage. It is drywalled. And right out here also, which is nice because it doesn't take up space in your house, is your furnace. It is gas forced air heat and a gas water heater. You have a door to your backyard with the gate right there to the right. So let's go in here and view the beautiful main bedroom. Excellent space in here. Beautiful light detail. Again, we have wonderful carpet. Now look at this. This is very nice. You've got a very nice large closet, walk-in closet. All kinds of space. You've got long hang, you've got double short hang. And then if we come this way, look how bright this bathroom is. The whole house is bright and airy with lots of natural light coming in. And this has a walk-in shower. It is low entry, low step. Your toilet, you've got the dual sinks. And this faces east, this bedroom. And I'll take you out real quick and show you the backyard. We come through here. Actually come out on the deck for you, or the patio. I keep calling it a deck. We've got gravel right here, which is nice. Wood chip over on the side, and then just a nice even space of grass. And then on this side we have rock, and down this way goes to the gate out. Gutters throughout, making it very accessible. All right. Get you more information. If you have questions, give me a call. Carrie Meyer, 509-868-1077. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.